I am in room 5210 at Live Aqua in Punta Cana, Dominican Republic. Bathroom area, bed area. We'll start back here. We have storage. Oops. And I believe that's probably for if you get food delivered, room service, that you can ask to have it put there so that you're not bothered. Lots of storage. Let's go to the bathroom. So this is the toilet. They do have this that moves, so you can see in the shower. Doesn't necessarily offer a lot of privacy, but you do have a place to hang a robe or towels. But it's a nice big shower. 2 shower heads. The rainfall shower. And molten brown amenities, which I found out after staying here last time that I absolutely love. Oops. And you can see, obviously, into the room. So that's something to keep in mind if you're traveling with just a friend and not a significant other, that it's not exactly the most private. Mini bar that is included. This is a pool view. Huge tub with an awesome lounger. And that is it. Live Aqua in Punta Cana, Dominican Republic.